Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I bring to you this tutorial of a cartoon Harley Quinn. Thanks to Sally Beauty Supply for sponsoring this video. And if you want to learn how to do this look, just keep watching. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do it now because there is a lot of tutorials coming up for this Halloween. And also you can follow me on Instagram as Maryandpalettes. And if you decide to recreate this look, please tag me because I want to see those recreations. I'm going to start applying my foundation and concealer, and then I'm going to set it with the loose powder. For this makeup, you're going to need a strong contour, so that's what I'm going to do right now on my cheeks. For the eyebrows, I'm using a brow gel. To start with colors, I'm using this blue eyeliner pencil, and I'm applying it on one of my eyes, and then I'm going to blend it with a blending brush. We are also going to drag this same color down, and I'm doing this because I didn't find any blue eyeshadow, so if you don't have any, you can just use a blue eyeliner. Also for the red side, I couldn't find a red eyeshadow that I like, so I'm using this Ardell red lipstick, and it worked wonderful. After we apply it, we blend it and we drag it down too. I'm using the same red liquid lipstick on my lips, and using Palladio Kajal in white, I'm adding some highlight points on my face. Now for all the details, I'm using a black eyeliner to do the heart and the cartoon silhouette. And this is a very easy step. You can use a reference picture. You could use my picture as a reference too. And just try to follow lines on your skin and add some messy parts with black. Since this is a look to have fun, don't be scared to play with it. Just be careful on adding the right details so they know who you are. I'm adding some more lines to make that shadow pop out, and I'm also doing my necklace because I couldn't buy it, and it's not something that you really need. You could just write it down like I'm doing it and then paint around it and make it look more pretty and more cartoonish. Adding more highlights, and I almost forgot, I need to run this lipstick a little bit out so it looks more messy and it looks more like hair. For the hair, you part your hair in the middle and do two ponytails. I'm using these ponytails Perfect Hold. They're very tight and I love them because they don't move. So I'm just gonna put my two ponytails to do this look. And also don't forget to leave two little pieces of hair on front of your face. I don't feel I have enough hair. I have very thin hair, so I'm gonna be using these hair extensions to make my ponytails look fuller. And I'm just gonna wrap the hair extensions around my ponytails, securing them with bobby pins, and then grabbing a piece of hair and wrapping it around the edge so it looks more perfect. I'm going to use a hairspray to calm down my baby hairs because I have crazy baby hairs. And then I'm going to be using these hairspray bottles that come in blue and red. And I'm just going to go and paint one side red and one side blue. I'm using a towel so I don't stain my shirt or anything that I have on. And this is the final look. As you can see, it was really easy. All the products that I use are on the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what makeup should I do next. See you on my next video. Bye!